Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Express Cargo. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, trip computer, MP3 capability, power outlet, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.